Here are the 4 best landing page builders for local businesses. Did you know that a well-designed landing page can increase your conversion rates by a mind-blowing 55%? So if you're a plumber, contractor or electrician, then here are the best landing page builders that you can use for your local business. In at number 1, Wix. We've all seen the ads and our favourite YouTubers talking about Wix and how great it is. But is it really good for you? Well, for a beginner with no technical and design knowledge, Wix is great. It's a free landing page builder with a wide range of templates for different businesses. In addition, Wix has the lowest learning curve on the list due to its highly intuitive drag and drop, beginner-friendly user interface. However, Wix gives limited control over more advanced options. In conclusion, Wix is a reliable landing page builder if you're a beginner and looking for something which is light on the wallet. In at number 2, Clickfunnels. Now, Clickfunnels is arguably the most famous and widely used landing page builder among professional marketers. With a huge spread of templates to choose from and tons of personal customization options, Clickfunnels is truly one of the most versatile and effective landing page builders that provide great results and conversions for local businesses. There is a learning curve to Clickfunnels, but with loads of free and paid training on how to use it, you'll get the hang of it in no time. That being said, it is a bit on the pricey side, so for a small business looking to build multiple pages, Clickfunnels can cost a pretty penny. Number 3, Elementor. With 5 million users, Elementor is the most popular WordPress page builder available. The best part about Elementor is the free version offers 300 pre-made templates and 90 widgets. Elementor is a great addition if you already have a website on WordPress and you don't want to shell out stacks of cash for one landing page builder. Number 4, Divi. Now on the premium side of WordPress landing page builder is Divi. With a drag and drop feature, it allows you to instantly see the results. It offers an extensive library of high quality templates. It also lets you perform split testing for different types of traffic and services. Split testing or A/B testing can help you make informed decisions that increase user engagement, reduce bounce rates and increase conversion rates on your landing page. Divi is a powerful tool for customized landing page building. It is also very easy to use, which means it's good for both beginners and seasoned developers or marketers. Unfortunately, all this goodness does come at a price, and packages start from $89 to $249. Whichever landing page builder you choose to go with, you can't go wrong. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Also, please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.